Tripod mounts sound boring, something that won't make a dent, but that's not the case. These mounts are an unsung hero of camera accessories. While tripods give us balance, tripod mounts give us precision, better composition, and buttery smooth maneuver. Now, there are many tripod mounts in the market, each granting you various degrees of versatility. So, as a photographer or cinematographer, which is the right one for you? Find out in today's video. Before ball head mounts took the spotlight, pan and tilt mounts were the talk of the town. Today, pan and tilt mounts might not be as popular as ball heads, but if you want control over each angle, each rotation, and half the time, the Manfrotto XPRO 3-way tripod mount is for you. Just like its ball head counterpart, this 3-way tripod mount comes with fiction controls and 3-level bubbles, ensuring your shots are straight and the camera stays balanced at all times. Also, the locking friction control means your camera won't be tilting even by a centimeter. One con of pan and tilt mounts is that they are bulky, but that's not the case with this one. Thanks to the aluminum construction, it only weighs 1 kilogram, and with the compact design, carrying it won't be any problem. So, if you don't mind taking your time to lock all axes and the relatively heavier build, the Manfrotto XPRO 3-way tripod head is perfect for you. Fluid heads have a tendency to be heavy, adding to the overall weight of the tripod. What if you needed something compact? SmallRig CH10 3259 is here to satisfy those needs. SmallRig makes camera cages and other accessories for almost every camera you can get your hands on, so it's no surprise that the CH10 comes with a compact, portable, and ergonomic design. It weighs only about 279 grams and is 7 centimeters tall. Also, it comes with 2 independent knobs, helping you get the perfect rotation and tilt. Now comes the question of compatibility. The CH10 features an Arca Swiss base, granting you compatibility with virtually any tripod, monopod, and more. Overall, with a light and compact build and a detachable panning arm, the SmallRig CH10 3259 is one of the best compact fluid head mount you can get today. Let's say you need smoother control without locking things into place. While ball heads are great, they don't have the small movements of a fluid head, and cinematographers crave that smooth glide or pan. So introducing the Benro S6, an abundance of features with a hefty price tag. The S6 puts effort into striking a balance between handling weight and smooth gliding. The included slider moves back and forth to adjust the camera's weight. They take it one step further with the included 4-step counterbalance, and to top it all off, illuminated level bubbles. Finally, there's a pan and tilt lock to keep the camera safe when panning and gliding. Overall, the Benro S6 has many features to ensure every pan is buttery smooth. Now, not all of us can spend a fortune on ball heads. Camera gears are already worth a king's ransom. But what if there's a ball head mount that comes with all the pro features and is affordable? Meet the Vanguard Alta BH300, so pro but reasonably priced. So what makes the BH300 so pro? Well, it has 4 knobs to get the precise composition. Not only that, but each knob was designed with ergonomics in mind. On top of that, the 2-level bubble ensures the horizon is straight as a fiddle. As for safety, besides the 4 locking mechanisms, the mount features an Arca Swiss quick release, which is widely compatible and has a built-in safety pin. Built with aluminum and comes with an anodized surface, it is lightweight and free from rusting. So, the Vanguard Alta BH300 has a lot to offer for the price, a great option if you want to save a buck or two. Ball heads are the most versatile tripod mounts you can get today. Free swivel on an axis and 360-degree pannings make it one of the best companions to have. Manfrotto XPRO ball head is one of those companions you want to have with you. The XPRO ball head ticks all the boxes. Safety, compatibility, versatility, you're getting it all. But first, let's talk about precision. With a triple locking system, you're getting every control to get the best composition. Its locking features offer more than just precision control. It keeps your gear safe and eliminates abrupt shocks or vibrations. What's more, the mount's magnesium build ensures it can support up to 15 kilograms, while remaining lightweight at 500 grams. Now the question is, why spend so much behind a ball head mount? The answer is simple: you don't want to lose precision down the road. With cheap ball heads, after a year of use, cheap ball heads will lose grip, and the camera will tilt ever so slightly, ruining the composition. So, spending a bit more means the investment will last you long, and the composition will remain perfect throughout time. Overall, for the price, the Manfrotto XPRO ball head is a well-loved mount you can get today. That was all about the best tripod mounts for all your needs. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.